I'm Laney, the founder and CEO of SAIE. Every day I start with glowy super gel all over. I love how it gives me this really lit from within glow. Then I go in with slip tint. I wear either shade 3 or 3.5, kind of depending on how tan I am. I love that it's my moisturizer, my foundation, and my SPF in one. Next, I'll do brow butter in medium brown to groom my brows and a few coats of mascara 101. Then I'll do a little bit of color on my cheeks with Dew Blush in Rosy and Sun Melt in light bronze that I apply all over with the big brush. I finish the look with really great gloss in Chill. I love how this whole look is done in 2 minutes or less. It's dewy, it's hydrating, and I'm ready to go for the day. I recently quit coffee, so every morning I start with my signature tea latte, which is organic tea, local raw honey, and homemade nut milk. It is so delicious. Then it's into my day of work, which is full of Zooms, calls, texts, chats, all the things. After work, I play with my girls. We love to do dress up, and we have lots of picnics outside with yummy, healthy snacks. We laugh and cuddle and dance and play, and it's the perfect way to end a really busy but super exciting day at SAIE.